Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert curved right arrow icon in Google Sheets. So get ready started. At first open your Google Sheets document file. In this video, I will show that insert curved right arrow. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click for a drawing option. Then choose from a shape. Now click for arrow option. Now select from curve right arrow option. Now draw a arrow. This arrow is sense color. Now going to the fill color option. Then choose color and border color. Then choose color and forward it. Now click for a save and color option. That's it. Then show curve right arrow icon in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.